I'm going to guide you on how to delete YouTube watch history on Android. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, you need to log in into your YouTube account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Then you are going to tap on your profile icon on your bottom right corner. Then go to settings on your top right corner. Then it will land you here on settings. Then once you are here, you are going to see manage all history. Just tap on it. Then it will land you here to YouTube history. So you are going to scroll down. Then you will see all of your watched videos history. So as you can see, these are my watched video histories. So in order to delete all these watched video histories, you're just going to tap on the delete button at the top here. Then you can select which type of video history that you want to delete. If the ones that you have watched today, you are going to delete today. If you want to customize the range of dates of the videos that you want to delete, you are going to customize. But for this video, I'm going to delete all the videos. So I'm just going to tap on delete all time. Then confirm you like to delete the following activities. This action will disable YouTube features that rely on YouTube history to personalize your experience. So you are going to confirm by tapping on delete at the bottom there. Then got it. So as you can see, there is now no video here, and all of your watched video histories have been deleted. So that's how you can simply delete YouTube watched video history. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice time.